Batistuta, and then back in by Ince. Oh, I tell you what, he really caught hold of that. Fractionally over the...
I want you to turn this into a 6 with only using one line.
Okay.
So here, give it to her. Turn that into a 6 with only using one line. If you get that right, then this $50,000 is all yours.
Okay. What's easy for you? I don't know.
50,000? You really don't know? You really don't know? You really can't do it?
I don't
You
know.
can't do it? You give up? Are you sure?
I give up. I don't know what it is.
All right. Let me see.
You so damn stupid.
I'll take that, and you're not getting nothing.
What is the biggest country in the world?
Where's my geography now? I would say country, I think Asia.
Asia. That's good. The biggest country in the world.
I would guess, that's a guess, yeah. But I would
Asia.
say, yeah.
Okay. Okay.